Seriously?
Sometimes you think you can put up resistance, but you don't, because you're just going along.
Let's go.
You don't have a chance. You're just fine.
Why are some people more hypnotized than others? I know we're all different in a certain way, but
Nice cut off. Nice cut off. Nice cut off. Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Seriously? That's the shoulder that you were just on. Yeah, I bet the Volvo dealership is gonna love that you're driving their car like that. No stop. No stop again. Really? Come on, Hyundai. Let's go. Get with the program. And you dual turn fail too, because you don't know how shit works, I guess.
and then the very end, it just talks about sort of the
seriously, dude.
Well, and I like verse 23. You shall not make.
Yeah, no one's behind me, dude.
So you make for yourself gods.
Really?
It's like, well, you know. Yeah, that's a bad interpretation of that passage. But another example of something that we find in the Covenant Code and we find revised in Deuteronomy.
No stop.
And that, you know, it's funny because that one, kidnapping a person
no stop
against
again.
their will,
No stop
holding
again.
him
No one.
or selling him.
No one knows how to
Death
stop here.
penalty seems strong to me, but I get it. But that is.
And I have to worry about Graziella. The only one I could kill is the consul general.
Wait, red light, Ron.
Meanwhile, I have Silky hounding. I don't know what you're talking about. Aldo Monta had been listening alertly. Said to Escal, slowly, deliberately, I hear you're a very
Right turn, regret.
That
I'll be
that's the
nice. I'll
only
let
reason
you
you're
in.
not
Come
here.
on, get on camera. Do the deed. Let's go. You're still. Although they're from Virginia, they're probably lost. Yeah, Virginia is for people that are lost. That's what it is. That's the. Yeah.
That he's not just jerking us off. He's always been reliable, hasn't he?
No stop.
He's
Toyo,
not
dart.
And if
Now
he's
so
got
clear the
another
snow
big
off your car.
he'll be a dead cert. They better
Although that
let
is a
him
new
back.
stop sign. That
That's
wasn't
like-
here the last time I was here.
We've been keeping track of this story, guys, so we can get rid of it. I know just this.
Oh, I know what happened. I made a wrong turn.
You got the throwaway to play.
Yeah, this is what happens when I just go off of memory and not know where I'm going and not use GPS.
Hey, Joe. Mark Antonio did so and seemed to go blind. The glasses were so dark they
No,
screamed
stop.
out all light. He thought that clever and made a mental note to use this in a story of half the places. A storyline of Jesus correcting okay all the time. And he let Bruno put his foot in his lap.
No, turn on red.
When he was finished, the story handed Bruno the bedside.
Although, in somewhat fairness, the sign is half covered with snow, so maybe it doesn't count. Should it count on the account of weather? I'll leave that up to you guys in the comments to decide. Red light, Ron.
At 5 in the morning, they waited. Suddenly, 5 cars raced to the driveway and men spilled out. One of them immediately threw a firebomb into Silky's house, breaking a pane of
Red
glass
light,
and sending
Ron.
a thin blaze of red fire inside the room. Then suddenly, lawyers received her out. The difference, he said, with the Bavarian accent and a sly grin, is that they just fuck you over. I fuck you over the movement.
Really?
As Spinella had heard
Don't turn
about
bail.
during an undercover vice, one of our primary interests was to appropriate the Aprile banks, not only because we benefit, but because
Red light, run.
to be a center for longer. His heart stopped racing. He asked Georgette in the calmest voice he could manage to tell him exactly what had happened. Georgette
Seriously,
repeated her
dude.
entire conversation with Nicole and watched her husband's expression
Cutting through a
carefully
fucking parking
as he
lot.
absorbed the information.
By a fucking lion. It's just gonna grab you by the throat. Within 2 seconds, you're out. Do you remember when that fucking the tiger killed that guy in
Red light, run. Nope. You gotta move over for these guys. They got the bright flashy lights.
Then we will burn Utica to the ground.
It is snitch culture. It is
Over the line!
It is a lot of.
Oh, is he gonna stop? Is he gonna stop?
Isn't academic. And we talked about this too. When
3 to 16, he had been their intimate, the beloved youngest son.
No stop.
Until his exile to Sicily in 1144. Giotto, a young apprentice killer, all colors and silk. His power was based in the district.
But I'm stringing, but I'm stringing, but I'm dum stringing.
Called the Mafia, but there is no overall chief.
Wait, what are you doing?
Acosta
What are you-
usually majors in a particular rank.
Figure out where you want to go.
Particular territory.
Stop it!
There is the Cosca that controls the price of water and prevents the central government from building dams to lower the price. In that way, it destroys the government.
Okay, for all you keyboard warriors out there that like to complain about how angry I get, just know that I do this thing called acting. I'm fine. Seriously, I'm fine. And that was red light run up there as well. So there you go. Happy now?
Parents of the victim were in anguish in their frustrated desire to find the body. The murderer confided to Nicole, as his attorney with the body
Oh,
was buried,
Jesus.
authorized her to negotiate
But I'm stringing. That was worse than the last one.
whereabouts in exchange for a lifestyle.
It was terrifying.
So post-Dakota, these emails started popping up, like the one shared by the New York Times that said, quote,
So stop. Sorry, old tart.